Hey everybody, I am super pumped to show you this new listing today at 4660 Lakehurst Circle in the heart of Osage Beach on the 17.5-mile marker. It is so cool. It's like Big Cedar Lodge. Let's check it out. With 5 bedrooms and over 2,000 square feet, this house lives huge. This home comes completely turnkey and it can be rented, and due to the location, it would likely rent fabulously. These owners have done a ton of updates. Please don't miss our list of features. One of the many awesome features of this home is this incredible dock that these people have had built, custom built. They've got stiff arms, they've got this unique cabling system, they have a permitted wave break. It all works fabulously. I can't wait for you to see it in person. For more information or book a private showing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.